Sakubona mfundi. The question, what do you have? In Ndebele, here is how you ask it. Ulani. Say it after me. Ulani. If you are talking to one person and you just want to ask them, what do you have? Yes, in Ndebele, ulani. All right. I want you to be able to answer that question properly. So, for you to know how to answer it properly, let's do the words in two groups. Most Ndebele words start with I. Isikhathi. Ithuba, an opportunity. Imali, and money. Ithemba. Ithemba is hope. Things like that. Ijaha, intombi. So, if we're talking about these words that starts with I, what you do is you drop the I and then you bring it together with the word ngile. Ngile means I have. Ngile, you say ngile sikhathi. I have time. Angithi ulani? Ngile sikhathi. I have an opportunity. Ngile thuba. Uyabona? Ngile thuba. You drop the I thuba, the I, sorry, on I thuba. Then you say ngile thuba. Ulani mfundi? Ngile mota. I have a car. Angithi ngile themba. Make sense? Ngile themba means I have hope. Right. For many words that start with I, iluba is a flower. Ngile luba. No matter what the word is. Ulani. Ngile sihlalo. Because the word is isihlalo for chair. All right. Isihlahla is a tree. Ulani. Ngile sihlahla. Gezwakala. Is it making sense? Right. Then, if you wanted to tell someone, I have a boyfriend is called ijaha. So you are going to say it like that. Ngile jaha. Because the word is ijaha. And then, if you're a guy, you want to say, I have a girlfriend. Ngile ntombi. Because the word is intombi. So each time you meet a Ndebele word that starts with I, which is many words. Inkomicho. I have a cup. Ngile nkomicho. Angithi ngile nkomicho. Ini futhi indlu. What is indlu? A house. You want to say I have a house? Ngile ndlu. That's right. Ngile ndlu. Gezwakala. Right. Then we have another group of words which start with U. We have a number of Ndebele words that start with U. Umuzi, a home. Umuntu, a person. Uluju, for example, which is honey. If you just wanted to say, I have honey, let's get to that in a moment. Right. We have words like utando, ulutho, an item, a thing. So, when we come to these words, you are now saying ngilo thando. All right. Amabala aqalisa ngo-u. You say ngilo, words that start with u. Ngilo thando, I have love. Yikho. Ngilo muntu, I have a person. How do you say I have a child? Given that a child is umntwana, you then say ngilo mntwana. Uyabona? Ngilo mntwana. Right. Ngilo buntu. Ubuntu is the word. So when you want to say I have good morals, ngilo buntu. Angithi good morals, a good heart, ubuntu. Yikho. You want to say that I have honey? Honey, we say it is called uluju. So you say ngilo luju. You drop the u on the word itself. You remove u from uluju. And then you bring it together to say ngilo luju. There is a Ndebele word called ulaga, which means anger, some sort of temper, a bad temper. If you want to say, I'm feeling it right now, this anger, this temper, you say ngilo laga, ulaga, but you removed u, and then you took laga, what ngilo, ngilo laga. I have a home, ngilo muzi. Kuyezwakala? Right. Then remember, initially we said I have a boyfriend, I have a girlfriend. It's what? Let's refresh. We said ngile ntombi, ngile jaha, because it was intombi ijaha. Now, if you are married, you want to say I have a wife. A wife is called unkosikazi ngesindebele. So ngilonkosikazi. Yiko. If you want to say I have a husband, we call a husband what? Umyeni. So put it together. I have a husband. Ngilomyeni. Angithi ulani mfundi? Ulani wena khathesi? Bhala kuma comments. Practice with the e words and the u words. Ulani? Bhala kuma comments. Ngilomhloliso, for example. Umhloliso is a test. Wena, what do you have? Ulani? Ngilolaka. Maybe you're having a temper right now. Bhala kuma comments.